Hi there. Good afternoon. This is Arun Dorasamy, the chair for INGAT, and I'm here at Ipoh High Court. I want to update all of us with the proceeding today. And with me, we have Madam Indira Gandhi.
Good morning.
And definitely, we have the very able our lawyer, Mr.
Rajesh Nagarajan.
Okay, Mr. Rajesh will update us with the proceedings today in detail. Okay.
Okay, what happened today was that pursuant to the court order dated the 30th of May 2014, there was a court order by the Ipoh High Court by Young Arif Tuan Lee Swee Seng, where the Young Arif had stated that there were two court orders by the Young Arif, which stated that the first there was a committal order committing Padmanathan, the ex-husband of Mrs. Indira Gandhi, for failing to return Prasanna Diksha, and secondly there was a recovery order by the Ipoh High Court to recover Prasanna Diksha, Mrs. Indira's youngest daughter. Now, in the recovery order, there was also a clause, an order by the court that stated that the police have a duty to inform the court and also inform Mrs. Indira the developments regarding this case once a month, every month, until the child is found. Now, this is found in the Ipoh High Court order, and the information must be relayed to the court and to Mrs. Indira's lawyer pursuant to an affidavit. So the police have to affirm an affidavit. Now, this order is dated the 30th of May 2014, and now is December 2020, which means that since the date of the order, exactly 79 affidavits have not been affirmed by the police, which means that the police owe Mrs. Indira 79 affidavits detailing what are the efforts that they have made to capture Padmanathan and also to recover Mrs. Indira's youngest daughter, Prasanna Diksha. This is a failure by the PDRM. Now, why are we here today? We have made an application to the Ipoh High Court stating that this order has not been adhered to and asking for the assistance of the court for the enforcement of this particular court order. The judge in the Ipoh High Court, Young Arif Tuan Gopinder Singh, after taking into account the Ipoh High Court order of 30th of May 2014, has directed the Attorney General Chambers to file an exhaustive affidavit detailing all the efforts that have been made by PDRM from the 30th of May 2014 until today. Young Arif has stated that the affidavit must be exhaustive, and he has given the Attorney General's Chambers 3 weeks from today to file the said affidavit.
This is the failure of PDRM, which we have been voicing out for the past many years, that PDRM is not doing their duty. This is very disappointing for not retrieving Prasanna Diksha. I hope the court will deliver a good judgment within the 3 weeks reply from the PDRM.
And the next proceeding date is?
The next date has been stated as the 26th of January, where we will be back in the Ipoh High Court for the judge to look at the affidavit that has been filed and for further directions to be given by court.